So yes people, today I'm making fried chicken, turn cornmeal, fried plantain and green plantain, Doreen's kitchen style. Yes people, this me I make today. So if you don't want to see how me make that delicious dish here, people, tune in. And remember to like, share and subscribe. Alright, come in at the kitchen and I'm show you how me make me turn cornmeal, fried chicken and fried plantain. Alright peeps? People, you have different ways to make turn cornmeal, you know. You have all different ways to make a turn cornmeal. You can use a saltfish in it, but I'm not using a saltfish. I use tuna. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to do the milk already. I'm going to put some nutmeg in it. You get some nutmeg in the milk. Yeah. I'm going to get some nutmeg in the milk. I will go ahead and I'm going to put my gungo in it. You can use red peas also, people. Whatever peas you want to use. I use gungo to them. I use red peas more while. I'm going to have some thyme here. I take care of the stick. And you know, I eat that with the stick, you know. Yeah. I'm going to have some. Hey baby. I have some cut onion. Here my onion. Cut scallion. I have one pepper in it. Want to spice it. Hi baby. What are you doing?
Good.
I have some tomato. People, if you don't want to put the tomato in there, you have to put the tomato in there. You just want to make it taste like a food, you know? Taste right. Well seasoned up and all these things, you know? Funny color, please. So I'm making the turn cornmeal. Okay. Yeah, how for that? Yeah, so I'm going to put a little paprika in it. So people, I'm going to make this go and boil. See you in 10 minutes. Alright, I'll be back. Yes, people, got a steam. For about 10 minutes, you know. Still have to steam a little more. I know cornmeal and raw cornmeal. Fuck up your inside. So, make it steam real good, people. See? It steam real good. But you have to keep on turning because behind the camera, I'm turning about 3 times already. Yeah. You have to keep on turning. So all the raw cornmeal there. Very nice, you know. Get salt out. Yes, people, nothing already yet. See, it's still moist. See? Still moist. Yes, I want a little milk if you go and steam it. Because if you make it too dry, so too much cornmeal in there, you never get the steam. It will come out raw. But you don't fully understand what I'm trying to tell you. Yeah, so it's not ready yet, it's still a steam, so it have to actually become moist like, see? See softness? Yeah. Have to still show that piece of that. You don't want nobody belly get fucked, you know. I need swell belly, you know, cook good. Yeah, over here, so I have the fried chicken. Chicken I have one fry, I'm tell myself, we have fried chicken with it. I'm going to make some fried plantain and some green plantain. Because remember me tell you, my kids are on them don't come here. So I'm going to fry plantain to Kiera and Zidane. The black boy and Windy get up and can fry to themselves, you know. Yeah. Some a big grown ass people, you know. Yeah. Yeah. So people I'll be back. Now peel some plantain and now and get ready to fry them. Yeah, Doreen's kitchen stuff. Yes, people, so I plant them and fry and now the chicken done fry. Some cornmeal steam. Steam for over 25 minutes, you know. It's not ready, you know, people. Seen it. Yeah. In the people. So I'm in a ready position, you know. Yeah. Now I'm making one steam to me down fry the plant them. Another 5 minutes. Yeah, and then you know, take it out and you couldn't see how it look. And then make a plate. Make them see how that look too. Alright, so just stay tuned. Cornmeal go on steam. Plant them go on fry. Alright people. I'll be back next 5 minutes. Yes people, so now we'll take out the cornmeal and now it's ready. Yeah. Never she can't wait. I'm hungry. Can't wait to eat the cornmeal. See the people? I'm starving. So I'm going to take it out of this, you know, and I'll show you guys how it looks, alright? I'll be back. Fried chicken, turn cornmeal, fried plantain, and green plantain, Doreen's kitchen style.